Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Those who are new here, I am Patricia Ethondlovu and I am your Ndebele teacher, and you can watch some of my videos that are on my channel and you can see what we are doing on this channel where I'm teaching Ndebele for beginners. So if we go together, we move together, by the end of this year, I promise you'll be speaking Ndebele fluently. Yeah, so today we are going to be looking at simple daily words in Ndebele. So on my next video, I'm going to be constructing sentences using those words. So make sure that you watch the next video after that so that you can understand. So simple daily words in Ndebele. What? It's kuyini. Why? It's kutheni. Which? Kuphi. When? Nini. Where? Ngaphi. Who? Ubani. Whose? Ngokukabani. How? Ngani. How many? Kungakanani. How old? Kungakanani. What color? Ngumbala bani. What time? Yisikhathi bani. Yes, let's hope you understand these words, because the video that I'm going to do next, we are going to be constructing sentences using those words so that you understand them well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and also tell your friends and family to come and watch my videos to learn Ndebele so that you can communicate in Ndebele when you are at home or whenever you are with your friends. Thank you.